Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this super cool looking galaxy in a jar. This DIY was incredibly easy to make, you will not believe it. It only took around 5 minutes and it just looks so cute. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already because we are so close to 2,000 subscribers, and when we hit 2,000 subscribers I will be doing a face reveal on this channel. Now let's get on with the video. Before I show you guys how to make the DIY, I just wanted to show you this galaxy in a jar I made about 2 years ago. As you guys can see, it's still in good condition. It lasted really long and still looks amazing. For the first part of this DIY, you're going to need a lot of cotton balls, and since I didn't want to spend a lot of money on a few cotton balls, I just got this whole bag of cotton balls from the dollar store. You don't need a bowl for this next step, but I just decided to put my cotton balls in a bowl to make this DIY a little bit easier, and I'm just going to go in with the cotton balls. I'm just going to start to separate them and rip them up. Now that I'm done ripping up the cotton balls, I'm left with this big pile of cotton fluff, so I'm just going to put this aside for now so that I can use later on in the DIY. For the next part of this DIY, you're going to need 3 disposable cups filled with water. Then after that, you're going to want to get some purple, blue, and pink acrylic paint, and what you're going to want to do is put some paint in each cup for each color that you have and just mix that all together with a popsicle stick and make sure that the paint is well incorporated into the water. Later on in the DIY, you will be needing some glitter, so just bring out your glitter and pick out some glitters that remind you of a galaxy. I have a kind of purplish pink color, a white iridescent glitter, and a silver iridescent glitter. For this DIY, you will also be needing a jar, so I got this plastic jar right here from the dollar store. Now I'm going to be setting up all of our supplies for making our galaxy in a jar all in one spot because I'm going to be needing them all at one time. This includes our glitter, the cotton fluff, the plastic jar, and our paint and water mixture. And now it's finally time to assemble our galaxy in a jar. Now to start off, I'm going to stuff some of the cotton fluff at the bottom of the jar, and I'm going to pour some of our paint and water mixture on top. I'm also going to get some glitter and layer the cotton fluff with glitter. Then I'm going to get some more cotton fluff, layer on top of that, put some more water paint mixture and more glitter, and you just keep on basically repeating this until you have your galaxy in a jar. And don't put too much of the water and paint mixture onto the cotton fluff, just put enough so that the cotton will be damp and moist. And you could be as creative with your galaxy in a jar as you want to. Put as much glitter, as much color, do whatever you want with your galaxy in a jar. I think it would even look cool if you could make like a sunset in a jar. That would look super cool. If you try that out, let me know in the comment section down below. And this is how my galaxy in a jar turned out like. It's so cute and it was so simple to make. Let me know in the comment section if you made this galaxy in a jar. Let me know how your galaxy in a jar turned out. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you are not already because we are so close to 2,000 subscribers, and that's when I will be doing the face reveal on this channel. I'm so excited. If you made it all the way through to the end of the video, comment down below this pretzel emoji right here so that I can know you made it all the way to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!